Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the paper feed roller and the retard roller, separation roller on Kyocera Ecosys M2040 model. First, take out the paper tray and carefully rotate the printer. This is the paper feed roller assembly. How to replace it: lift up this handle, this hook, rotate the module, then lift up from the left side and take it out. I have bought new rubbers for the module. How to replace them is very easy. Take out the first and the second. Now take the same one and place it on its place. And now the second one. And we are okay. Let's put the sample in the printer. Now in a reverse order. First from the right, then from the left, and rotate it this way. And that's it. Now I will show you how to replace the separation roller. Here is our separation roller, the retard roller. This is my new one. I will show you how to replace them. Just to mention that if you have bought only the rubber of this module, just replace the rubber. Cut off the old rubber with a knife and place the new rubber. I have bought the whole rubber module, so I will replace it. How to replace it? We have to take out this module. There are two hooks here from the both sides. Just press them simultaneously. Press and slide out the module. Slide it up. So it's very easy. Push here a little to release this part, and from on the left side. And now look, it's really easy. Take the new one. And be careful, here is one spring, don't lose it. the spring goes here. And we are done. As you see, the hooks are on place, and that's it. So thank you very much. Good luck.